there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to remove a backdrop from an image in Photoshop. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Make sure it's a high quality image for best results. Now, we have an option here to select subject. Please click it. And then we will wait for Photoshop to select the subject for us. Now, once the subject is selected, please right-click on it and then select Inverse. And then, you can just hit your backspace to remove the backdrop in Photoshop. So we have another way to remove the backdrop from an image. So let's go back. So as you can see, I have an option here on my end to remove background. We can click that too. And as you can see, the background is already removed and it's very clean. So another way to remove a background is by using the eraser tool and then selecting using this one, the quick selection tool or magic wand tool. It depends on you what tool will you use. So this magic tool here will select the same color of the background, and all you have to do is to press the backspace on your keyboard. Although it's not very clean when removing the backdrop from an image, so I highly recommend to use the remove background option so that you will not have any difficulties in removing the background from an image. And that's it. You now know how to easily remove a backdrop from an image in Photoshop. This technique can help you create stunning compositions and place your subject in any environment you like. Now you have the power to unlock your creativity and transform your photos into something truly unique. Whether it's a professional project or just for fun, these skills open up a world of possibilities. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to remove a backdrop from an image in Photoshop. See you on my next video.